Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day one of your personality development class. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. First of all, let's wait till everybody can join in and they can get the notification, and we'll proceed further accordingly. Good morning, Kalpana. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I hope all of you are good. All of you are safe and good, right? So awesome. So my name is Pooja Gulati and you know me, right? So you might be knowing me like I was there last time as well, and I'm again here for this time as well. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for giving so much of love. And in this session we are going to talk about, in the entire 15 days journey, we will be talking about personality development, communication and a lot of other stuff. So be excited and be ready to upgrade yourself. Good morning Varsha, good morning Pavni, good morning Purvi, good morning Piyu, good morning Minakshi. Who all are excited for this session? Give me a yes. Who all are excited for this second edition of Ravel Digital Month? Who all are excited? We are meeting again. Indeed, we are meeting again. I am absolutely good. Thank you so much, Babita, for asking. I am good. How are you all? And who all are excited? I hope your excitement level must be very, very high, and it has to be very high. And I will guide you with a couple of things which needs to be followed, and I really believe you all will follow that, and you will be able to upgrade yourself. Okay? All right. So, am I audible? First of all, let me know. Am I audible and am I visible? Am I audible and am I visible? Okay, awesome everyone. Good morning. Let's proceed further. So today's session, let me tell you something about myself and let me guide you with a couple of things. So if I talk about myself, you are seeing me again, and my name is Pooja Gulati. I'm a personality and a communication coach by profession. I train people when it comes to mindset, when it comes to personality and communication, and we are going to learn all these things in the journey of 15 days from now onwards. And there are a lot of things that needs to be done, so let me guide you with a couple of things. So last year we had mystery boxes, right? If anybody remember, last year we had mystery boxes. Yes, we had mystery boxes wherein I was giving you daily tasks which was there to complete, you were supposed to complete. So this time the name of the mystery box has been changed to a secret box. Okay, so now we will not have mystery boxes. We will be having secret boxes for every day. Okay, so the secret boxes of every day will be revealed. The secret boxes will be revealed at the end of every session. So it is requested by all of you to be there and to see what's there in the mystery boxes. And one thing that you have to follow for every classes, you have to be regular from day 1 to day 15. Okay, you have to be regular from day 1 to day 15. Otherwise you will not be able to get the entire thing which every teacher wants to give to you. Okay, I hope you understand. So who all will attend for continuous 15 days? Who all will attend for continuous 15 days? Kindly let me know about this. Who all will be doing this for continuous 15 days? Yes, awesome. So be here for continuous 15 days, and I'm gonna give you 100% guarantee that if you will follow what is being told by every mentor, you will be able to get very good results. Awesome. So let's proceed further, and I want to guide you with a couple of things before we begin today's session. So today's session is gonna be about your mindset. Today we are gonna talk about mindset and positivity. Okay, today we are going to talk about mindset and positivity and some basics about personality. So this is something that we are going to talk about today, and apart from that, something that we will be talking about is there is a small task that you have to do, everyone. All of you have to do a one simple task that if, first of all, listen to me what I am trying to say. First of all, just listen to me what I am trying to say. आपको अगर आपके आसपास कोई कॉइन पड़ा है, या कोई 10 रुपीज़ का नोट पड़ा है या 20 रुपीज़ का नोट पड़ा है या 50 रुपीज़ का नोट पड़ा है, just take it. You just don't have to go here and there. If your parents are here and there, just ask them for a 1 rupee coin or a 5 rupee coin or a 10 rupees note or a 20 rupees note. Okay, just ask for them for a note or for a coin and keep it aside at one particular place without touching it for next 15 days. आप वो जो 10 रुपीज़ का कॉइन लेंगे या आप 20 रुपीज़ का नोट लेंगे, 50 रुपीज़ का नोट लेंगे या फिर 2 रुपये का कॉइन लेंगे, आप उसको एक ऐसी जगह पे रख दीजिए जाके अभी, या आप बाद में कर लीजिएगा इसको. डोंट डिस्टर्ब योरसेल्फ. यू हैव टू डू दिस एंड यू हैव टू कीप इट समवेयर wherein it will not be disturbed. Okay, I will tell you the reason behind it at the 15th day. Okay, at the 15th day. So if you want to know what is the reason that I have told you to keep that 10 rupee note or a 5 rupee coin or a 2 rupee coin aside, so you have to continuously watch every session till 15 days. Okay everyone, give me a yes if you are excited. Awesome. Great. So let's start with today's session and let's proceed further. So today we will be talking about mindset as well as positivity. First of all, and before talking about all these both aspects, let's understand about what is personality. Okay, and you all are requested to do one thing, कि आप लोग अपने नोट्स बनाएंगे. You will prepare your notes. You will not do this that every day you will come over here and you will just listen and you will just go away. No, this should not be the case. Every day you will prepare your notes. There should be a notebook wherein you will be writing all your notes, whatever will be told to you. All right, all the notes should be prepared. And yes, because I know that all of your memory is absolutely amazing. Okay, that's why I'm telling you that you have to prepare notes. Okay, every day you will prepare notes and every day you will revise them without any lack in between. Awesome. And one more thing that I want to tell you, every Sunday will be your off. That means tomorrow will be your off. After today we'll be meeting on Monday. Okay, so let's proceed further. All of you, you have understood the concept of putting a coin or a note aside. ये चीज़ समझ आ गई आपको कि एक छोटा सा कॉइन या एक आपको नोट, एक you have to keep it aside. ये चीज़ समझ आई? Ma'am, voice little bit slow or low. There's a difference between these two. Okay, is it slow or is it low? Just let me know about this. Okay, awesome. So let's proceed further. So let's talk about what is basically personality, right? So personality is nothing but a sum total of your habits and a sum total of your I would say programming that goes inside your mind, and the daily habits you do which become a part of your entire persona, that is known as personality. What is basically personality? For example, आप सबने सुपरमैन देखा है? Everybody, have you seen Superman and Spider-Man? Everybody, have you seen Superman and Spider-Man? Yeah. So Superman and Spider-Man, these two has one thing in common, that they are superheroes. But one thing that makes them unique is their own individuality, their own skills. For example, जो स्किल स्पाइडरमैन के पास है वही स्किल सुपरमैन के पास नहीं है, राइट? जो स्किल स्पाइडरमैन के पास है वही स्किल सुपरमैन के पास नहीं है. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पर्सनैलिटी. We all human beings look the same. This is one common thing that we have. All human beings look the same. But what makes one human being different from the other? For example, what makes Aditya different from Vishnu is their own skill set, is their own personality. कि उनके अंदर क्या क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, क्या क्या खूबियाँ है, क्या क्या उनकी हैबिट्स है जो उनको बहुत अलग बनाती है. So this is known as your personality. So personality is the sum total of behaviors or sum total of habits that you have that makes up your personality. Okay, समझ आया आप लोगों को कि हर एक इंसान, एवरीबडी ऑफ अस इज योर ह्यूमन बीइंग, बट मुझे सविता से कौन कैसे अलग हूँ? बिकॉज मेरे उनसे जो मेरी क्वालिटीज़ है वो डिफरेंट है, मेरी स्ट्रेंथ डिफरेंट है, मेरी उनसे वीकनेस डिफरेंट है. सो इट मीन्स दैट येस, एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इज डिफरेंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ qualities they have. Okay, so it's very important that you develop your personality, and in order to develop your personality you have to work on couple of things like your positivity and your mindset, which we are gonna talk about today, and there are a lot of things which we'll be talking in the coming days. Okay, so this is something about personality. Now let's proceed further. Let's understand what is a mindset and what is the meaning of positivity. First of all, in today's era, it's very important to test negative and to be positive, right? It's very important to test yourself, to be tested yourself negative and to be positive in your mind, right? Because COVID is rising, so it's very important that you are testing negative in your reports and you are positive in your life. So next is that today all of you might be knowing that due to this COVID situation and due to a lot of things, people don't know how to tackle their positivity as well as their mindset. For example, I would like to give you a simple example that आपकी क्लास में 2 बच्चे हैं. There are 2 type of students. Okay, so the example is कि कभी किसी के जब marks कम आते हैं, when somebody scores very less marks, or when somebody scores somebody fails in their class, or somebody is scoring very less marks. So there are 2 type of students. The A category will be that they will say negative things to themselves, like I will not be able to do this, मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं तो किसी काम का ही नहीं हूँ, मुझसे तो पढ़ाई होती ही नहीं है, मुझसे तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है, right? So this is first type of students. Okay, ma'am, your voice is not clear. Is my voice clear, everyone? Is my voice clear, everyone? Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear, everyone? Okay. Awesome. So let's understand one more thing. अगर कोई मेरे यहाँ से आई गेस नेटवर्क का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप लोग अपना नेटवर्क प्लीज चेक कर लीजिए, ठीक है? आप लोग अपना वो थोड़ा देख लीजिए, नेटवर्क आप अपना चेक कर लीजिए, ठीक है? ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर कि देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट, ए कैटेगरी एंड बी कैटेगरी. ए कैटेगरी के बच्चे कौन से होते हैं? वो ये बोलेंगे जब उनके मार्क्स कम आएंगे या देन दे विल फेल इन देयर क्लास दैट मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग, दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई विल नॉट डू, मुझसे तो कुछ होती ही नहीं है, मुझसे तो पढ़ाई होती ही नहीं है, ये सब्जेक्ट मेरे समझ में आता ही नहीं है, मैं तो कभी कुछ कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. यस, दे विल स्टार्ट सेइंग बैड थिंग्स अबाउट देयर टीचर, राइट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स will happen. And there is a B category of students. What they will say to themselves is, इसका मतलब if I am getting very less marks or if I am failing in class, it means that I have to give more importance to my studies. I have to give more importance to my studies, and from the very next time, I will be giving more attention and I will score very good marks. It happens. ये 2 category के बच्चे होते हैं. You get these 2 categories of students, so it's very important to understand which category you are in. Tell me, everyone, just tell me which category you are in. Are you in A category? Do you say negative things to yourself when you score very less marks, or when you fail in your class, for example? Or are you into B category, that when you get very less marks, or when you are not getting that much good marks, so do you say that yes, I will do very good from next time? Which kind of student are you? A category or B category? Tell me this. Are you the A category student or are you B category student? Am I okay? You are B category student? Okay. What about others? Are you A category or B category? And it's very important, you will be positive. Okay, always B. Okay, तो आप ये सिर्फ मुझे बताने के लिए बोल रहे हो अभी? आप ये सब अभी सिर्फ मुझे बताने के लिए बोल रहे हो? आस्क दिस टू योरसेल्फ, फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ, कि जब आपके मार्क्स थोड़े कम आते हैं तो आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या होता है माइंड में? यू फील लो, you feel low. The first reaction you get when you score less marks is that you feel low, right? ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कोई भी किसी के साथ हुआ हो that they score very less marks and they will start feeling very good. Okay, so if you are into B category, then it's very good, but there are a lot of students those who are in A category, even though they will not tell me. अभी वो बोल रहे होंगे कि मैम आई एम इन बी कैटेगरी, बट डीप इनसाइड दे नो एंड देयर पेरेंट्स वुड नो दैट यस माय चाइल्ड बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम ए कैटेगरी. आप रोते होंगे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती होंगी, राइट? सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. दिस इज व्हेन यू आर इनटू ए कैटेगरी. When you are into A category, it means that you have a fixed mindset. There are two types of mindset people: fixed mindset and growth mindset. There are two kinds of mindset. Okay, so when a person feels like कि हाँ कुछ भी situation आती है, when they face a lot of failure or when they face some issues in their life, it can be you or it can be anybody, an adult as well, anybody. When they feel like कि हाँ I will be not be able to do anything, मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ वैसे हो रहा है, मेरे साथ तो कुछ अच्छा होता ही नहीं है, when the negative starts happening in their mind, this is a sign of fixed mindset. That उनका mind growth mindset नहीं दिखता, उनका mind positive नहीं दिखता है. Okay, and when a situation comes in their life, when something happens in their life and they say to themselves that okay, this is a challenge and this is for something that I will get to learn something from here, that मुझे यहाँ से कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा. So this is a very good sign of a growth mindset person. So you always need to be a growth mindset person, everybody. And mindset होता क्या है? What is our mindset? The kind of thoughts we have. For example, हमारे पास कोई situation आती है. What is the situation? For example, we get a situation of securing less marks in our exam, or a teacher scolds us, or something or the other happens. Okay, right now COVID is happening. So एक reaction COVID का ये हो सकता है लोगों का कि जिंदगी रुक गई, लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते, मेरी जॉब में प्रॉब्लम है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, एंड ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विल हैपन एट वन प्लेस. बट देयर विल बी अ सेकंड कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल दोज हु विल फील लाइक कि हाँ ये कोविड अगर आया है, इफ वी आर एट होम, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो आवरसेल्फ. It's a very good opportunity to grow ourselves. Similarly, the person who belongs to the A category, who feels like कि हाँ COVID आ गया, I will not be able to do anything, my life is ruined and all such kind of things, they belong to the fixed mindset. And the person who feels like कि हाँ I will be able to do something good. For example, अगर मैं बात करूँ, I started building my career during the lockdown only. Like last year was the beginning. मेरे करियर की बिगिनिंग रावल डिजिटल मंच से ही हुई थी, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस अगेन. सो आई स्टार्टेड माई करियर ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन ओनली, ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड सिचुएशन ओनली. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू एंड योर माइंडसेट. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम इन योर लाइफ? यू नो व्हाट, people of mere 10, 12, 13, 14 years of age are doing so good in their life. What is common? What is the simple thing that drives them? First is the kind of teachers they have, and you have amazing teachers because you are part of Raval school, right? Next is that you have such great parents. So again, your mindset is very important because it goes into your mind. What goes into your mind actually determines आप कैसे behave करेंगे, and that is your mindset. Simply, let's proceed further and let's understand कि अब माइंडसेट को हम कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं. अगर हमें आज पता चल गया दैट देयर इज समथिंग लैकिंग, देयर इज अ लैक बिटवीन माय माइंडसेट एंड देयर इज अ लैक बिटवीन समथिंग एल्स. सो नाउ आई हैव दिस नॉलेज कि हाँ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट क्या होता है एंड फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट क्या होता है. वी हैव दिस नॉलेज नाउ. नाउ डू यू वांट टू बी अ पर्सन हु हैज फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट और you know growth mindset? What kind of person do you want to become? You want to become a person of growth mindset, or do you want to become a person of fixed mindset. Tell me this. What kind of person do you want to become, everyone? A growth mindset person or a fixed mindset person? Always remember, if you want to do very good in your studies, if you want to become a very good student, if you want to become an excellent child of your parent, it's very important कि आप अपने mind को बहुत अच्छे से feed करते रहे. Right? For example, अगर एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, for example मैं आपको एक छोटी सी चीज़ समझाती हूँ. हर एक बच्चा अलग अलग काइंड ऑफ फैमिली में बर्थ लेता है. एक वही बच्चा शुरू से होते हुए बंगाली सुनता है और वो बच्चा बंगाली बोलने लग जाता है. एक वही बच्चा छोटा सा, वो बचपन से तमिल उसको सुनने को मिलती है तो वो तमिल लैंग्वेज बोलने लग जाता है. So what is that something that is very common over here, that what goes into your mind, आप कैसे फीडिंग दे रहे हैं अपने माइंड को. ठीक है. So always remember, you have to become a growth mindset and you can change your situations every time. Okay, nothing is constant, you can change yourself. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है, you get irritated very easily, you are not able to do something, so it's very important now that you have a growth mindset. Very good everyone. I'm so happy that you are saying that you want to be into growth category. Awesome, so proud of everyone. So now understand how you can be a part of growth mindset category. Okay, how you can be a part of growth mindset category. First thing is you have to understand कि in order to build a growth mindset, you should avoid all such kind of people. You should avoid all such kind of people जो आपको थोड़ा लो फील कराते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब ये मत बोलना कि मेरी टीचर मुझे डांटती या पेरेंट्स मुझे डालते हैं, वो मुझे लो फील करवाते हैं तो मैं उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कट कर दूंगा. नो, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स आर ऑलवेज योर वेरी गुड मोटिवेटर्स, राइट. तो आपको अगर वो डांट भी रहे तो इट मीन्स दे आर डूइंग इट फॉर योर गुड. सो दीज पीपल आर नॉट समबडी हु विल, वो ये चाहेंगे कि आपके लिए कुछ बुरा हो. लेकिन ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कुछ दोस्त होते हैं हमारे. वी हैव अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स who tell us कि आप कुछ गलत कर लो, डू समथिंग, आप अभी पढ़ाई मत करो, मेरे साथ खेल लो, मेरे साथ चैटिंग कर लो, फेसबुक पे आ जाओ, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. All these kind of people are actually don't want you to grow. Always remember this. The person who will drive you, who will make you, who will divert you from the right path is somebody who doesn't want you to grow. For example, if you have someone in your life, for example, any of your friends who is trying to divert you from your education, so please stay away from them. Right? First thing आपको ये करनी है कि आप अपने लोगों से दूर जाना है जो not adding very good into your life. The next thing is that you have to take forward is you have to feed your mind with positive things. How do you have actually grow mindset? First of all, understand what do you want to become in your life. What do you want to become in your life? What do you want to become in your life, everyone? Just tell me, what do you want to become? Do you want to become a scientist, teacher, doctor? What do you want to become? What do you want to become in your life? You want to become a teacher, you want to become a doctor. Voice is not clear. Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now? अब आ रही है आपको आवाज मेरी? Okay. Now you are getting my voice? Are you getting my voice, everyone? वो तो ठीक है, आप मुझे बता रहे हो, पहले ये बताओ आवाज आ रही है? आर यू गेटिंग माई वॉइस नाउ? Am I audible? Okay, Umesh, I know you want to become a world leader, but please let me know आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Is my voice clear now, everyone? Okay, so let's proceed further and understand. My voice is clear now, everyone. You can just check your connection, okay? Awesome. So next is we have to feed our mind. अच्छा, आप लोगों को ये बात पूछा था मैंने कि what do you want to become? Somebody said they want to become a world leader. Okay, what about others? What do you want to become in your life? What do you want to become? What do you all want to become? What do you want to become in your life? Tell me फटाफट. Okay. मेरी वॉइस अब क्लियर है एवरीवन, so please check your connection. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Gurjeet. Thank you so much. Awesome. So please help me know, what do you want to become in your life? My voice is world leader. Okay, you want to become a world leader. What about others? What is world leader? World leader को आप explain कीजिए. Okay, you want to become a doctor. Okay. So understand one thing, people. I've become commando because we save our country from enemies. Plane fighter. Okay. Actor. All right. Okay. Awesome. So it's very important, people. देखो, अब पहले के ज़माने में और अब के ज़माने में ये चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. That now people have a lot of opportunities. You students have a lot of opportunities in front of you in terms of technology. If I consider myself, अगर मैं अपने चाइल्डहुड की बात करूँ, हमारे पास इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं थी. हम जब कॉलेज में गए तब हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आने लगी. सो नाउ इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज एवरीवन, नाउ यू नो कि आपको बनना क्या है लाइफ में. ओके, यू वांट टू बिकम अ पब्लिक स्पीकर. ऑसम. सो स्टार्ट finding out what is required to become that person. If you want to become a doctor, what kind of skills you need to become. If you want to become an idol, if you want to become a public speaker, if you want to become something in your life, just find out what kind of skills you need to develop in yourself. Always remember one thing, people, your mindset is very important. Along with that, you need to have skills in your life. You need to have skills in your life. And how you will be able to grow your mindset? Always have a mentor in your life. Always have a mentor in your life. When you know what you want to become, find a person who is doing something in that domain. Find somebody who is doing something in that domain and start following what they do in their regular life. How they speak, how they see, how they look, and try to observe what kind of profession it is. कि क्या आपको मिल सकता है उस प्रोफेशन से. एंड अल्टीमेटली यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इन योर पर्सनैलिटी एज वेल एज इन योर mindset. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to find out what you want to become, and then find somebody who is doing something in that domain, okay, and then start following them, start reading about them. Okay, start following them on social media. ओके और सोशल मीडिया पे अपने माइंडसेट को डेवलप करने के लिए हम जो बेकार की वीडियोस देखते हैं यूट्यूब पे, टिकटॉक तो अभी चलो नहीं है, दे आर इंस्टाग्राम पे, वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज आवर माइंड कैप्चर्स इट. ओके, आवर माइंड कैप्चर्स इट. So it's very important that you don't indulge yourself in seeing all these kind of content. Okay, only see content that is motivational, inspiring, and one thing that the person you want to become. So this is something that you have to do. Exactly, very good. If you are following Legends lifestyle, so what happens is your mind starts getting those feeding. So it's very important that you get that feeding. If you are saying that if you want to become an IPS officer or an IAS officer, if you want to become a civil aspirant, so you have to understand one thing. You have to understand one thing, people. Start seeing different IAS officers, like Tina Dabi is there. We have Sonal Goyal. We have so many IAS officers, right? So you can start following them and you can see how they prepared. अभी अगर आप अभी से थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करने लग जाओगे, so when you will do your graduation, you can crack your UPSC in first attempt. Okay? So all these things happens when you start preparing yourself, and that is known as growth mindset. That is known as growth mindset. और एक चीज़ को बार बार रिपीट मत करो, मुझे एक बारी में दिख जाता है, ठीक है, मुझे एक बारी में दिख जाता है, एक चीज़ को बार बार वो मत करो. एंड प्लीज़ डोंट टेल मी कि कितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स हो चुके हैं. प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन द क्लास. ओके, just focus on the class. I will be only here for 60 minutes. It depends upon you how much you take out of those 60 minutes. Okay, it's be here, prepare your notes and develop yourself. Okay, the next thing that is very very important, people, what most of the students don't do, what most of the students don't do is they don't read books. Do you read books, everyone? Do you read books, everyone? Do you read books, everyone? Okay, I am asking that do you read books? Because, and I am talking about self-help books. For example, जिन बुक से आपको कुछ नॉलेज मिलती है, जिन बुक से आपको कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, आप देखते हैं ऐसी, आप पढ़ते हैं ऐसी कोई बुक? Do you read any kind of books? Anyone? And I am not saying that you have to copy somebody. I am always against this thing that you have to copy somebody and grow in your life. You just have to see उन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया कि वो इंसान वो बन गया. कुछ चीज़ें कॉमन होती है हर एक चीज़ के अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. Okay, so that is what is, you have to see, you have to observe them, and you don't have to become them. There is a difference between all these kind of things. Okay, so please help me in knowing, do you read books? Okay, which kind of books do you read? Which is a recent book? Story book. Okay, you read story book. What else? What kind of which kind of story book do you read? आप कोई भी स्टोरी पढ़ लेते हैं या कुछ पॉजिटिव पढ़ते हैं या कुछ मोटिवेशनल पढ़ते हैं? रामचरितमानस. ओके, वेरी गुड. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? कि यस मैम, समटाइम्स. ओके, always I follow many IAS officers like Deepak also. Very good, very good. See people, it's very important to understand that book reading needs to become your habit. Because when you read books, and I'm not talking about some fictional book or horror story or any kind of stories, I'm only talking about self-help books. Write it down that what kind of book you have to read. You only have to read self-help books. What kind of books? What is the category of the self-help books? Self-help books help you to improve your mindset, help you to learn something new about your personality, help you to learn something new so that you can achieve success. So always remember, you only have to invest in self-help books. And I can tell you one book which you can start from. It's very easy, it's very amazing, and it's my personal favorite book, and that is Good Vibes, Good Life. It is Good Vibes, Good Life. Okay, you can buy that book and you can start reading it. If anybody of you is in 6th standard, 7th standard or any kind of class, and even if you are in 12th standard or 11th standard, it is amazing for everybody. It is amazing for everybody. So please buy that book. You don't have to do that someday. Okay, you don't have to do that someday. Even if you want to become a writer, first of all you have to become a reader. नो अगर आपको साइंस, देखो आप कोई भी बुक्स पढ़ रहे हो, लेकिन ये वाली जो बुक होती है सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स, यू हैव टू इंक्लूड इन योर माइंड, इंक्लूड इन योर लाइफ, सो दैट योर माइंड सेट कैन डेवलप. It's a very easiest way through which you can grow your mindset. Okay, it's very important that you grow your mindset, and so that the basic book that I am telling to all of you is that Good Vibes, Good Life. Start reading that book, order that. It's very cheap also. You will get that book in 200 rupees from Amazon or from Flipkart, and then you can just start reading that book. Okay, so these are the top 3 points or top 4 points that I have told you in order to have a very good and growth mindset in your life. First of all, cut off people, those who don't want good from you, those who don't want good for you, those who divert you from your studies, those who divert you from positive things and all such kind of things. So you don't have to do that. You have to be around people those who are positive. And if you don't find people those who are positive and those who upgrade you, be with your teachers and be with your parents. Your parents are your bestest of friends. Always remember this, people. Your parents are bestest of your friends. Okay? So always be with your parents. Always remember that it's very, very important that you're spending your time with them only. Okay? Next thing is that we have to talk about today is positivity. आप लोगों को mindset का category समझ आ गया? You have understood what is this mindset category? Everyone just give me a yes. I know, Vijay Lakshmi, that you want to become an artist. That's what I was telling you. Please don't spam the comment section. You are over here. Are you here to just write down the comment, or are you here to just learn something new? That is my question. And when you are typing a comment again and again and again, it actually diverts somebody else's mind as well, and my mind as well. So please, एक बार comment कीजिए, बार-बार मत कीजिए, so that the comment section remains very positive and very clear. Okay, all right, समझ आया? So next thing that we have to understand is कि आप लोगों को ये वाली mindset वाली चीज़ समझ आ गई, and how you will be able to develop your mindset. समझ आया आप लोगों को? Okay. What about others? You got an idea regarding how mindset can be developed? Awesome. And अगर आपको कोई doubts है, so this live session will be saved after this session, so you can go and you can rewatch it if you have any doubts. Okay? Okay? And everybody, please be on time for the class. Okay? And if you missed something, do watch the replay of the session on Robert Rawal Digital Minds page only, because we will be sharing this live session. Alright? Next thing is that we are going to talk about is positivity. First of all, can you tell me what is positivity, everyone? Anybody? Anybody? Can you tell me what is positivity? Anybody? In single word, in one single word, can you tell me what is positivity? Anyone? I am asking, can you just tell me in one single word that what is positivity? Anything? Just say कि positivity को क्या समझा जाता है? आप क्या समझते हो positivity को? Just write down in one word. Okay? Just write down it in one word that what you understand by the meaning of positivity. Okay? Write down, मतलब comment section में लिखो आप लोग. Write down, everyone. What do you think that what is positivity? When we feel, okay, good vibes. Okay. Awesome. Being positive every time. वो तो positive हो गया ना? आपको positivity से मतलब क्या है? ये पूछ रही हूँ मैं. What do you understand by the word positivity? ठीक है, lucky मैंने पढ़ लिया. To think good things, okay? Alright. What else do you think? What is positivity? Lucky जी, मैंने आपका good vibes पढ़ लिया. And vibes की spelling होती है V-I-B-E-S. It doesn't start from W. It's V-I-B-E-S. Where my inner energy resonates. Good vibes. Okay. It's V-I-B-E-S, not W-I-B-E-S. Okay. It's V-I-B-E-S. Development. Good vibes. What else? कुछ नया बोलो थोड़ा. Think. Put pressure on your mind, everyone. Put pressure on your mind. Good. One thing that in our mind, how type of thoughts are there? Everyone can help me knowing कितने type के thoughts होते हैं. अच्छे person की मूर्ति. Okay. Can you please help me in knowing what do you understand? How many types of thoughts are there? Anybody? Can you just help me in knowing how many types of thoughts are there in your mind? Please help me in knowing that how many types of thoughts are there. Positive. Please, ये वाली चीज हो गई. Please help me in knowing now कि कितने type के thoughts होते हैं. एक टाइप के, दो टाइप के, तीन टाइप के, चार टाइप के, पांच टाइप के, छह टाइप के, कितने टाइप के थॉट्स होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? What do you think? How many types of thoughts are there? So everybody, I would like to tell you there are 4 types of thoughts. There are 4 types of thoughts. The first type of thought is positive. The second type of thought is negative. The third type of thought is necessary. And fourth type of thought is waste thought. There are 4 types of thoughts, okay? So, how are there 4 types of thoughts? So, which thought you want to focus upon determines what type of mindset you will have. And आपकी positivity is nothing but how positive do you think about? How much energy do you think about? आप कैसा सोचते हैं किसी चीज़ के बारे में determines कि आपका thought कैसा है. आप कैसे अपने mind को feed कर रहे हैं, उसी हिसाब से आपका thought हो जाएगा. For example, somebody always see news channels. Somebody always sees something which is very negative. So what kind of thought they will have? They will definitely have negative thoughts, right? They will definitely have negative thoughts. But if there is somebody who does meditation daily, who takes care of their body, who along with that they actually they see positive content. Okay, so all these kind of things, all these people will have positive thoughts and they will always be positive and they will always be okay. So it's very important to understand that yes, whatever you see, whatever you hear and whatever you speak, whatever you see, whatever you speak and whatever you hear determines what kind of thoughts you will have and what kind of mindset do you have. जो गांधी जी ने बोला था ना कि बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सुनो, बुरा ना बोलो, क्यों बोला था? क्यों? क्योंकि उनको पता था कि जैसे हम देखेंगे, जैसे हम सुनेंगे और जो सुन के और देख के हम जो बोलेंगे उससे हमारे माइंड में थॉट्स क्रिएट होते हैं. अगर हमें कुछ बोलना भी होता है तो हम अपने माइंड में पहले वो चीज़ सोचते हैं तब हम बोलते हैं ना. हाँ, my voice is not audible. Exactly. Meditation is very good. So it's very important. So it's very not to see, not to hear, not to see, not to hear anything which is not positive. That is something which we have to take care of your mind. Okay. Next thing is, yes, मैंने आपको ये चीज़ बोली थी कि आप लोगों को न्यूज़ चैनल्स उतने देखने चाहिए जितना ज़रूरी है. होता क्या है, लोग क्या करते हैं कि पूरे दिन वो न्यूज़ चैनल चला के रखते हैं एंड पूरे दिन आपके माइंड में नेगेटिव फीलिंग चलती रहती है. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी न्यूज़ चैनल, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू हैव अ टाइम लिमिट कि हाँ, आई विल सी दिस न्यूज़ चैनल, ओके, आई विल गेट what is happening in the world and then I will just switch to anything positive. Or I will see any comedy movie or all such kind of things. Okay, so it's very important everybody कि आप लोग, so you have to be very I would say you have to pay a lot of attention कि आप लोग क्या सुन रहे हैं और क्या देख रहे हैं. And I would like to tell all the parents, अगर आपका बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा जिद करता है कि अगर मुझे तो देखना ही है, आई वॉन्ट टू सी दी सोशल मीडिया, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दिस, आई वॉन्ट टू वॉच अ काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज़, आई वॉन्ट टू सी दिस, आई वॉन्ट टू डू दैट, please stop cutting it down because ultimately what happens is it becomes a very bad habit. It becomes a very bad habit and in the long run you will be the person and who will say that काश मैंने उस टाइम अपने बच्चे के हाथ से फ़ोन ले लिया होता. So it's very important to understand that yes, you have to give your child. Why do you think the people, those who are born and those who had their business in early 2010s and before 2015 and before 2014, why they are so successful? Because social media का इतना वो सब नहीं था. अभी भी बहुत लोग सक्सेसफुल होते हैं बट उन लोगों को क्या था, उनके पास ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी and they were more concentrated. They were more concentrated. So that's why they achieved so much of success. And the real example is for Zomato. Okay, the real example is Raval School. They started before all the technologies were there, right? So that's why they are so successful. You have to understand कि आप फिर वही देखें जो आप बनना चाहते हैं, वही सुने जो आप बनना चाहते हैं, वही बोले जो आप बनना चाहते हैं. Then only you will have positivity in your life. And simple way through which you can have positivity is practice meditation daily. Have a daily practice of following meditation. And the simple way through which you can do that is कभी भी आप ओम chanting लगा लीजिए and sit, close your eyes and focus on your breath. This is a simple way through which you can do meditation. That you sit with yourself. You sit with yourself. आप थोड़ा सा ओम chanting लगा लो या कोई भी मंत्र लगा लो, whatever you feel like. ठीक है? So then what you have to do is that you have to sit with yourself for 10 minutes every day, focus on your breathing. If any thought comes, again come back to your breathing and calm your mind. It's very important. Okay? Give yourself some physical exercises and all such kind of things. Indulge yourself in healthy eating. Because जैसा आपका अन्न वैसा आपका thought process. So you have to understand this, that yes, I will focus only on the things that I want to become in my life. It's not only through your mind. There are lot. You are an entire package. How you behave, how you act, what you see, what you eat. Okay? So all these things need to be done. So next thing is that what we have to do is again, आपने ये सब चीज़ें करी and then पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि यू हैव ग्रैटिट्यूड. You have gratitude in your life. Okay? What is gratitude? That you are thankful for everything that you have. For example, just help me in knowing. आप मुझे ये बताइए, कभी किसी ने अपनी बॉडी को थैंक यू बोला है? Have you said thank you to your body any time? Have you said thank you to your brain any time? Have you said thank you to your hands any time? Have you said thank you for the clothes that you wear? Have you said thank you for the maybe specs that you wear, the watch that you have? Have you said thank you any time? Every day. Every day I am saying, not any day. For the heart you have, for the lungs you have, for the parents you have, for the home you have, for the water you drink, for the food you have, everything. Are you thankful? Are you grateful for everything? No, right? Many people will say no, right? So this is something. Why do you think that some people are very happy by having things that they have in less than amount of you? Because they are thankful for that. Because they are thankful for that. So it's very important that whatever you have, be thankful. Be thankful for everything you have. Just close your eyes every day for 5 minutes and understand what blessings do you have. Say thanks to God for that. हम लोग भगवान जी के सामने मंत्र पढ़ते हैं लेकिन कभी उनको थैंक यू नहीं बोलते. Okay? So you have to say thank you to God. And what happens is when somebody gives us a gift, this chair is a gift, you are a gift. Okay? This specs is a gift. Have you said thank you? हम लोगों को thank you बोलते हैं लेकिन who is the major source of all these things? God. So take out 5 minutes every day to say thank you to God. This will definitely help you in feeling more positive. This is known as count your blessings. This formula and this method is known as count your blessings. So every day you have to take out 5 minutes from your life and then you have to just say thank you for everything you have in your life. Alright everyone? We have to be thankful and grateful because we have to understand that we are very, very, very blessed. Many people don't have food to eat, but we have. Many people don't have school to go, but we have. Are you thankful for your school for organizing summer camps? Because there are a lot of schools those who are not organizing things for their parents, for their students. Okay? So you have to be thankful. You have to say thank you to the teachers and thank you to the management of Raval School that yes, they take care of you. They want you to grow. And that's why they are having teachers. That's why they are having students. And you know what? At the end of Raval Digital Month, by 15th day or maybe in the middle, you will be a part of a competition wherein you also stand a chance to get certificates. Right? Wherein you will also get a chance about certificates. So this is something that I am telling. The exact news will be given once it will be live. So we will let you know about this. कैसे कैसे होता है. But there will be a good competition wherein you can participate and for that please register yourself at the registration link and you will get to know and you will be getting certificates as well. So what is it so amazing, right? It's so amazing. So always be thankful. Always be thankful, and when you are thankful, God gives you many things to be thankful about. Okay? Okay? And tomorrow will be your off. Okay? Tomorrow will be your off because it's Sunday, so you have to enjoy and मस्ती मारो कल. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू रिवाइज, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट, जो मैंने आपको सेशन के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, आज सेशन के बाद निकलते ही 1 मिनट लगेगा. फाइंड अ 1 रुपी कॉइन, 2 रुपी कॉइन, 5 रुपी कॉइन और 10 रुपीज़ नोट और 50 रुपीज़ नोट, और उसको लेके किसी ऐसी जगह रख दो जहाँ 15 दिन उसको ना छेड़ो आप, जहाँ पे 15 दिन आप उसको ना छेड़ो. आई विल टेल यू द रीज़न कि मैंने वो कॉइन, वो नोट अलग क्यों रखवाया था आफ्टर 15 डेज. सो फॉर टू नो you have to be consistent for 15 days and then you will be able to know ki what is the secret behind it. Okay, so how many of you will do the coin and note wala activity? How many of you will do it? Everybody has to do it. There is no compensation. Okay, everybody has to do that activity. Okay, all right, so you learned a lot of things today, everyone. You don't have to. नोट का मतलब 10 रुपए का नोट, 10 रुपए का नोट. आपको कुछ लिखना नहीं है किसी नोट में, आपको बस लेना है वो नोट. 10 रुपए, 20 रुपए, 50 रुपए, कितने का भी नोट हो, तो उसको आपको लेना है और आपको कहीं पे रख देना है जहाँ पे 15 दिन उसको कोई ना छेड़े. वेरी गुड वर्षा. हाँ, अब उस 10 रुपीज़ कॉइन को एक ऐसी जगह रख दो जहाँ पे उसको कोई ना छेड़े फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 days. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू डू दैट. ऑल ऑफ यू do that after the session. Okay, awesome. So you got to learn something new today, everyone. You got to know something new today. कितने का भी चलेगा, 5 का, 1 का, 2 का, किसी का भी चलेगा. Okay, you got to learn something new today about your mindset and about your positivity. Yes, awesome. So we are heading towards the end of the session, and today we are gonna talk. And today's secret box is to count your blessings only. जो मैंने आपको भी समझाया, आज आपको ये करना है. What you have to do today is that आप एक कॉपी लेंगे, कुछ भी लेंगे, and you will write down 10 things you are grateful for and along with the reason. Okay. You will write down 10 things. You will write down 10 things you are grateful for. Okay. You will write down 10 things you are grateful for along with the reason. So this is the secret box for the day. You have to write down 10 things you are grateful for. I'm telling the secret box, everyone. Please listen. The secret box for the day is you have to write down 10 things you are grateful for example, and you will start with thank you God that I have this thing. Thank you God because I have my parents, because thank you God for my parents, because thank you God for my food, because thank you God for the water, because thank you God for my clothes, because में आपको reason भी लिखना है. And one thing that I want to tell everybody is, and all the parents, please make it a very good point कि आपका बच्चा सारे में secret boxes करे, because when somebody will do it for continuous 15 days, only then you will be able to see a difference in your child after 15 days. Okay, so please make it a point. Okay. Okay everyone, आप लोगों को secret box समझ आया? You got to understand what is the secret box? Okay, so this is your secret box for the day. All the parents are requested कि please make it a point कि अगर आपका बच्चा कहीं struggle कर रहा है, this is very simple that the child will write 10 things. You have to write down 10 things you are grateful for along with the reason, because जब तक हमारे पास कोई reason नहीं होता, हम उसके बारे में feel नहीं करते हैं. Right? So it's very important कि आप लोग reason बनाएं. ठीक है? Awesome everyone. I have told the secret box, Preeti, so you can go after the live session ends. You can go and revisit the video and इसको थोड़ा drag कर लेना end तक, and do that, okay? Secret box is very simple. All the parents are requested to please see that whether their child is doing that or not, because you are investing your time and energy over here. I am investing my time and energy over here, and that's why we all have to do all the tasks that are given to you. Okay, everyone? Awesome. Any question anybody has? If anybody has any question, you can ask me. We have just 1 and 2 minutes left. नहीं आप कॉइन रख के मतलब अपनी अलमारी में कॉइन रख दो, अपने स्लैब पे रख दो, कहीं पे भी रख दो, किसी पर्स में डाल दो. ये सिर्फ याद रखना है, ये नहीं कि तुम याद रख के भूल रहे हो. मैजिक नहीं करवा रही कुछ. You have to remember that where have you kept that point, okay? So all of you are requested to remember where you have kept your coin or your note, and after 15 days I will tell you that what needs to be done, okay? So you have any questions, anyone? All right, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's session, and I really wish that आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा आज. कोई क्वेश्चन? हाँ बताइए, क्वेश्चन बताइए अर्नल. मैम व्हाट इज माइंडसेट? मैंने आपको बताया माइंडसेट क्या होता है. इट्स द सम टोटल ऑफ थॉट्स दैट यू हैव इन योर माइंड, हाउ यू लुक एट थिंग्स, व्हाट इज योर पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स थिंग्स. क्या आप प्रॉब्लम्स को फोकस करते हैं, क्या आप सोल्यूशन को फोकस करते हैं, क्या आप ग्रोथ को फोकस करते हैं, क्या आप प्रॉब्लम्स पे फोकस करते हैं. दैट इज नथिंग बट योर माइंडसेट, ओके? दिस इज नोन एज माइंडसेट, ओके? Anything else? Anybody wants to ask? Okay everyone, thank you so much for joining the session. Bye bye, take care. And if you have any questions, you can comment down. I will share this live, or we can talk about that tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much everyone, take care, have a beautiful day ahead, and join the sessions of other mentors as well, because they are doing something really amazing. You will get to learn a lot of things, so join there, and respect all your mentors, okay? Respect all your mentors, okay? जो भी वो पढ़ाएंगे उसको सीखिए, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए, अपने नोट्स रोज बनाइए, एंड लर्न समथिंग न्यू, एंड से थैंक यू टू ऑल योर टीचर्स फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग Raval Digital Minds, okay? Thank you so much everyone, take care, bye bye.